Tim from Your 6 Tech. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to block someone on your PlayStation 5. So if they keep sending you messages or unwanted invites or something like that, you can easily block them. So press the PlayStation button on the controller right here, open up the game base, and then you can go to their name under here. So if you got them as a friend, or maybe they keep sending you messages, so you can go to the person's name. So maybe let's choose this person right here. And then you can go to their profile right here. So let's go to more. And we want to go to where it says add members or view members right here. Then you can go to their profile. Once you get the profile up, you can go to block right here. So we can block this person. And it says leave the group with this player too. So let's go to block. And they won't be able to send us messages anymore. And if they were our friend, they're going to be removed from our friends list. So let's block them. And we can unblock them by going to their name and simply selecting unblock as well. So you can easily do that right there. Hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on Your 6 Tech.